This is the best alternative to Creed Aventus. Everyone in the fragrance community knows this perfume. Uh, a lot of YouTube perfume reviewers has hyped this perfume, and honestly, it deserves all the hype that it gets. This is the better and the smoother version of CDNIM EDT. This is better in all aspects except in performance. The EDT version is better in terms of performance. The projection is stronger, and it lasts longer on skin. It lasts longer on clothes. Though the EDT version has that harsh opening, the lemon pledge smell thingy, the one that people hates. The limited edition perfume doesn't have that harsh lemon opening. This one is smooth from the initial spray until the dry down. I compared this side by side with Creed Aventus when I was in Korea, and the difference is negligible if there is any. Normal people will not be able to tell the difference. I think even frag heads will be confused. I was confused. They smell very similar, and I questioned myself. I remember thinking to myself, how is it possible that a $55 perfume from UAE smells almost 100% the same with Creed Aventus? How is that even possible? This one, the CDNIM EDT version, performs better, yes, but it doesn't mean that the limited edition perfume lacks in performance. This one is a beast on its own, but the EDT version is a beast on a higher level. This lasts the whole day. The projection is very strong, and it leaves an amazing scent trail. My peers enjoy the citrusy opening until the magical dry down. You can wear this dress up or casual. You can pull this off on a date night, or you can use it if you just want to go out and walk on a sunny day. I think the best age that suits this best is late teens and up. This smells like a true gentleman. At least that's the comment I hear from people whenever they smell this on me. I wanted to keep this review 100% honest, but that's it. I have nothing negative to say about this perfume. I just hope that they won't discontinue this. I like this perfume so much. I used it as my wedding scent, and this might be the reason why I haven't bought Creed Aventus. Or maybe Aventus is just overpriced and I'm too broke to buy one. Please let me know your thoughts on the comment section. I love exchanges between fellow perfume enthusiasts, and I'll see you on the next one.